up with my buddy. I don't know why I said buddy, bro. Like, supposed to think bro. And then after that, we're gonna go sports bike shop. I need to get me some stuff, and we're good. Those of you who have been watching my videos for a long time know this iconic tunnel. Bro, my visor is fogging up already. Oh no, is it raining? Shit, I don't want it raining, bro. It didn't say any rain today. Flip. You know what? I don't think I need mirrors today. Bro, this place is always wet, bro. Like, what's going on with the drainage or something? What the flip is that indicator, brother? What in the world, bro? I don't know if I have a bug on my flipping visor or is that water, bro?
It doesn't fit. My bike's way wider than yours.
It is, but no, like if you like. Nah, come on, man. It should be able to fit. Nah.
There's no chance.
It should be alright, huh? Like if I put it straight. Does it work? Try moving it first. Does it work? The brakes? It should work for now, man. It should work for now. Bro, my flipping shoes. Ooh.